Yeah, this thing is pretty big, but I gotta say, don't be intimidated by it. This 60 inches digital wall clock that this brand sent to me for this video is massive. You can see how big it is, but I want to say that this one can be used for multiple situation and scenario. For example, if you have a gym, if you own a CrossFit place, if you are in a school and you're trying to find something really big for like the gym in the school or something like that, or for like an elderly place with big numbers, this could be the one. It is really easy to use. It comes actually equipped with, you're gonna see the quick start guide, the instruction manual, which is really easy, and also this right here, a remote controller, which I think it is the most convenient thing because you can operate it on the distance and you don't have to rely on anything else. The cable is actually quite long. This cable over here is quite long and it gets plugged in the back, which by the way, it comes with two holes to hang it from the wall. So you're not gonna have too much issues. This is not super big. It is big, but not big. And it's not super heavy. It is really big, like 60 inches, I say before, but it's not really heavy. Let me show you some. So we're gonna check out a few things with the remote controller over here. So you have the display. You can actually change it and put it, let's actually change it to the date. You have one. Of course, this is not the year. This is not the day. You can set up everything super quick with the remote controller over here, but you can keep cycling that one. Let's actually go to the other side and you can keep cycling the numbers, for example, to show the temp. You can show it in Fahrenheit. You can show it in Celsius, and then you can go back to the time. You can actually change it from AM to PM as well. So that's actually a nice thing to do. And then you can set up a few things. You have an alarm. You can set up the alarm as well. You have also a countdown, which the countdown is going to be nice for you to have for like a gym or something like that. You can set up the countdown nice and easily. And the other good thing is going to be a stopwatch. You're also going to have a stopwatch over here. So I don't know why it's not changing. Oh, because the actual time for the stopwatch and the countdown are the same. So that is my fault actually, because I shouldn't probably have put that one in different times so you can see better. But again, this digital thing, it is pretty big. It is actually kind of like, I want to say that it is quite intimidating for the size, but not that big. But actually, you can dim the numbers as well in case that you don't want to bother others at night or something like that. And then you can put it on a bright setup on max brightness as well. Again, you have a stopwatch, you have a countdown, you have the date, the time, the temperature, and everything managed right here with this convenient remote controller. I like the thing, 60 inches, easy to install with holes and the remote controller, everything in one single place.